TFNN. Headline News Update.
Let's get ready to rumble. Michael Buffer filling in for Steve Rhodes. Actually, this is the 2 p.m. update. We're awaiting the announcement from the Fed interest rate decision, and we're watching the 1 minute time frame chart here for the ES Mini. I'm just waiting to see how we're just trying to take a look at how the market reacts. So they cut their rates by a quarter point. I don't know what else might be forthcoming here. We're really going to need to watch the market over the course of the next hour and a half or so. You can see a bunch of reactions so far. Just in this 1 minute alone, we've seen the ES Mini trade down to a low of 3,008 up to a high of 3,016 thus far. So the initial reaction so far has been kind of muted. Really, it's just a simple 8-point move out there, but we're just simply going to have to watch to see how the market trades. What I can show you, got gold as initial reaction is to the downside. That's off $10 right now. Silver's down 21 pennies. You've got treasury bonds. They are ticking to the downside as well out here. So the initial reaction in the markets is unfavorable, but that does not mean that's the way the day is going to end up. I'm going to give you just one thing to be watching, just one thing to pay attention to understand what the message of the markets is, what it's communicating to you at 4 p.m. today. And that message is just watching the spot volatility index. And where it closes is going to be key. This will be the real tell in the market out here. Right now, it's bouncing up near its 50-day exponential moving average. And that is priced at 14.25. It's trading at 14.15 right now. If we see a close above that, we are in the unfavorable seasonal cycle. And a close above that would then suggest what we're going to see in the market is the beginning of that summertime blues with a market pullback. If it doesn't close above that, then nothing has changed today. You'd have to wait till tomorrow or some other point in time. But that, folks, is really all that you need to pay attention to, at least with regard to the equity markets out there. And as we speak right now, as I mentioned, again, a fairly muted response with regard to the push higher or lower. It's really going to be, hey, stay tuned for the next show. David White, during this next hour, he'll have more information for you. But watch the close today on the Spot VIX. Thanks for being here. Have a great Wednesday.